Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? I hope you're good. In this recipe, let's make this simple plain cake. This is ready in minutes, no icing, and you'll definitely enjoy it. So the first things first, let's grease our pan with butter. We're going to grease this generously with butter so that the cake wouldn't stick. And I placed in a parchment paper for the underneath. Now set this aside, and here I have 3 whole eggs. I'll also add in sugar, and I'll add in oil, and I added in strawberry flavor. You can use vanilla or any flavor of your choice, and we're going to mix this with our blender for 2 minutes. We're going to mix this till this is nice and fluffy, and I'll transfer it into a bowl. Look at how fluffy that is. And I brought in all-purpose flour. I also brought in baking powder and baking soda and a little salt, and we're going to sieve this in. It's important you sift your flour for cake. It will break in the flour molecules and it will give you a very good cake. You can add this flour in batches for easy mixing, but I just added mine at once, and we're going to start stirring this. We'll stir this till all the flour is melted into our wet ingredients. And here I have liquid milk. We'll be adding this gradually. We're not going to add all at once. We'll add and we'll keep mixing it. Keep stirring it. Be patient with yourself. You can also do this. We like cake a lot here, but not those with the icing. Those are reserved for birthdays, but occasionally we'll make these plain cakes at home and everyone enjoys it. You can have it with tea, with whatever you wish to have it with. And this is a very sure way to dissolve the flour. I'll be pressing it beside the bowl, just like you're seeing me do, and it will be dissolving. When we get to this point where we'll have a smooth batter, we're just going to be mixing and folding. We're not going to stir it vigorously so that it doesn't get as hard as bread. And this is the consistency we have here. And we'll transfer this, pour all this batter into our greased pan. We'll get out the extra also because all are part of our cake recipe. And I'll heat this on my counter to take away the bubbles, and we're going to send this to a preheated oven, and we'll be baking at 170 degrees Celsius between 30 to 35 minutes because we really like the crust in the cake. And here is our cake right out from the oven. I will leave it inside the pan to cool for about 30 minutes before bringing it out. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. You all make my day worthwhile. Thank you for checking out my videos. God bless you richly. And please, if you've watched till now and you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my videos and get amazing content like this. Thank you so much. Remember, at Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. This cake is so soft, it's fluffy, it's way yummy. I hope you'll try this and let me know how it came out for you in the comment section. What do you think about this recipe? Will you be trying it out? I hope you learned a thing or more from this video. You can write me in the comment sections and I'll be glad to hear your questions or your suggestions. The outside of the cake is crusty and the inside is so moist. Look at how moist this cake is. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.